Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw something from the Harry Potter universe, and that is the GRINGOTT'S DRAGON that the three heroes end up riding in the movie. So I hope you guys get to follow along and enjoy this video. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to just make a small little oval shape. Now, right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and down. And I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve around here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes up and down over the eye. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes out. Then I'm going to go up, and then I'm going to curve down. Next, I'm going to kind of make the wavy line that's going to go up by the eye, and then it's going to come back like this. Then I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go all the way almost towards the end of the mouth. Next, I'm going to make a little line that goes down, and it's going to curve up. Then I'm going to bring a line that goes up to about here. Then I'm going to start back here, and I'm going to make a line that goes down, and it's going to curve up. Right here for the nose, I'm going to add a little line that curves around, and then a little line in here for the nostril. Put a little curved line right here at the back of the mouth. And then I'm going to put some long, skinny teeth along the top and the bottom here of our dragon's mouth. Now, this GRINGOTT'S dragon has a lot of spikes on it, especially on its head. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that goes up. I'm going to bring it back here with a spike, and then I'm going to curve it back. Then I'm going to add a few more on here. Not quite as long as this first one, but I'm going to make some different sizes all along here. Next, I'm going to start right here in this space, and I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to come up here. Then I'm going to start here, I'm going to go down, I'm going to come up, and then I'm going to go down, and then up again for the body. Then I'm going to curve it up a little higher. Then, starting here, I'm going to leave a little space. I'm going to draw a line that just goes up and down. I'm going to go down, and I'm just going to angle it off to here. I want to make the claws, so I'm going to start here. I'm going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to curl around and come back. I'm going to draw another one that does the same thing. And then I'm going to put one back here. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes up. It's going to come around and go down here. I'm going to bring it here. Then I'm going to start in here and draw a line that goes up and over. We'll draw a little line to connect it. Now, starting here, I want to draw another leg, so we're going to kind of do the same thing. It's going to go down, and then it's just going to come right to here. This other foot's going to come down and curl around. Another claw here. And then one more here. We're going to bring this up. Then I'll put a small bump up here for the back of that foot. Now, starting up here, I want to add the wings. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to go up and then down. I'm going to start here, I'm going to make a line that goes out and it's going to come up. I'm going to curl it around for that big kind of claw hook that he has. Now I'm going to make a line that's going to curve around here, and it's going to come to a point and it's going to come back up. I'm going to make another one that comes down here. It's going to come back up like this. And then I'm going to make another one that's going to go down. It's going to curl back up. Then right here I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and it's going to angle off this way. Now for the flaps in here, I'm going to make a line that goes up. It's going to come to a point, and it's going to sharply turn down here. I'm going to make a wavy line here, and then another one right there. Now, starting here, I'm going to add some curved little spikes along the back of our Gringotts Dragon. They're going to be very skinny, and they're just going to kind of curve around there. I'm going to put a couple more tall ones kind of running along the back here. Then I want to draw the wing on this side. So to do this, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up like this. I'm going to curl it around for that sharp hook, making it kind of wavy too. This time I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go up, and then it's going to come back like this because it's going to be kind of folded back behind. I'm going to draw a line here that's just going to go down. I'm going to keep it kind of skinny, it's going to come back. Then I'm actually going to just draw the arm back here all the way to the body. Now starting here, I'm going to draw the flap, just kind of a wavy line to here. And then same thing here, just going to kind of put it back there. But then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line that goes down here, and that's going to come back up. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to curve around here, just so it kind of looks like the wing is kind of turning. Next, I'm going to add a little line here for kind of the back of our dragon. And then I would like to have the tail kind of flying out here, but since we don't have a whole lot of room, I'm actually just going to kind of curl this around. I'm going to make it come to a point, and it's kind of a skinny tail. So we're just going to bring it right up to the foot, kind of jump over, then bring it back up to here. Then kind of along the back, we're going to add some more of these kind of skinny little spikes along the back. They do get kind of small here as they go towards the end of the tail, and you can just kind of put some real small little spikes on here. We're going to go all the way to the end. So here's our basic Gringotts Dragon. Now we just want to come in here and add some of the different details and everything. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to add a pupil right up here towards the front of the eye. And then I'm going to add some little kind of like wrinkle lines right around the eye. I'm going to add a couple little curved lines right by the nose. Then I'm going to add some long lines that kind of travel up the face. I'm going to add just a little broken line right around the bottom of the lip. And then I'm going to add some long kind of little lines right around the neck here. A couple more little lines around here. Then I'm going to add some kind of broken lines up here for some details. We'll add a couple little curved lines right around the body here just to show some detail. Add some little extra lines up here. We'll put a curved line on each of these for the claw. That's just kind of basic. Add some little broken lines and some spots that you think would look cool. I like to just add some little detailed lines all over. I'm going to add some extra little lines kind of by the legs. Put some curved lines where the claws are. I'm going to add some kind of little broken curved lines up here. It's kind of a skinny dragon, so we're just going to add some little lines in here. A few little lines going down the body. Just little lines on the arms. Going to add some details right along here, maybe a few curved marks going right up the neck. And then I'm going to add a couple broken lines coming down the tail too, just for some details. A couple little extra lines right along the flaps of the wings. And then just a couple little extra lines all over. Some little lines kind of where the knee would be, along the foot and everything. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Gringotts dragon. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.